Kwang'yo mago mag penj madongo mag KCPE kod KPSEA odonjo odiechieng' mogik kawuono e kaunti ya Machakos ka onge gima rach mogo ripode e thuolo mar penjno. Jagoro mongirore Migago mar jotich sirikal Veronica Nduva notawo chenro mar pogo tese mag penj apisi mar DC sub county ma Matungulu kanosingo ne piny owacho biro neno ni chenro duto mag penj biro dhi makare. Nduva wacho ni KCPE kod KPSEA biro neno ni jopuonjre maromo 2.3 odonjo e skunde manyime mano sekondar kod junior sekondar kapeno po apisas duto manotawo chenrono kuom tich maler e kinde mag penjgo. Nduva noten kod kata County Commissioner Josephine Ouko, Director mar somo Margaret Murigi kod Director mar TSC Lewis Mutegi.
We are here, and personally I'm here as a Principal Secretary for Performance and Delivery Management as a whole of government approach where we are supporting our colleagues in the Ministry of Education and in the Ministry of Interior to ensure a smooth transition, a smooth and efficient exam period. And I can report from what I have witnessed is been very good preparations. I can also report what we are hearing from our colleagues is that across the country the process has really been smooth and we are coming to a very successful culmination. For us as a government and as administration, our priority really and our area of emphasis is to ensure that the students have a conducive environment in which to do their exams, they finish well and they successfully transition to the next stage. Those who are going to high school, those who are going to the junior high school after finishing KPSEA, just to ensure that there is 100% transition. The commencement of marking begins immediately after the exams is over, and therefore the preparation. The TSC is here, the director for the county education is here, the county commissioner is here, just to ensure that there is a successful transition for both girls and boys to the next level of education.